I'm Jayne Ludlow. I'm Head of Sport here at the University of South Wales. My previous roles have included national team head coach roles, director of football roles in club and national team level. So my role within the university is pretty much to help create a really positive, inclusive learning environment based around the subject of sport, which obviously I love. The ambition of the university is a fantastic one. We are obviously a leader with regards to delivering courses, and we'd like to build on that in the future. Our sole focus is making sure that this is a really impactful learning environment for all the students who come on site or learn off site with us going forward. Priority area for me always has been, always will be, creating impactful and effective teams who love to be around each other. If people want a really positive, inclusive learning environment within the realm of sport in the future, come and join us, because this is the place to be.